Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 20. Steam burn is more severe than that of boiling water because A. Water boils at a higher temperature. B. Steam burn is dependent on relative humidity. C. Steam burn is independent of relative humidity. D. Steam possesses greater heat energy per unit mass. So I asked for the reason why a steam burn is more severe than a boiling water burn. Now the answer to this is actually simple. It is actually because steam has higher heat energy per unit mass than water. Okay, now as proof of this, specific latent heat of vaporization of steam is equal to 2.1 times 10 raised to power 6 joules per kg. Okay, so this is the heat energy per unit mass. However, for water, okay, the amount of heat required to heat 1 kg or a unit mass of water, okay, heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water is given as 4.2 times 10 raised to power 5 joules per kg. So you can see that this is actually higher, okay, times 10 raised to power 6 than this. So this is the explanation behind that. So D, steam possesses greater heat energy per unit mass. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.